All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. I am your host, Mario Dakers. Thank you very much, guys, for joining. And this has definitely been a good one. Hopefully, you guys are good. Hopefully, you guys are having a good weekend. And I myself am preparing for lockdown. Well, it already started. But anyways, we're going to speak about three players: Shamar Nicholson, Bobby Reid, and Michail Antonio. Why do you want to speak about these players? Yeah, definitely. These guys are actually the top performance over this particular weekend. So I have to give them a shout out, literally. Give you guys some update on these players. So as I said, guys, smash the like button and make sure that you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, people. I would definitely appreciate it if you do. All right, so the mic is good. All right, so first of all, let's touch on Shamar Nicholson. Now, you all know Shamar Nicholson, Jupiler League, so they call it. Let me share my screen so you guys can see Shamar Nicholson. Good. As you guys know, Nicholson, he scored a hat trick. That's the first thing I want to say. He scored an hat trick. Now, yeah, a lot of other players are scoring goals, but he scored a hat trick. Now, this hat trick that he scored took his team seventh in the league. Also, this hat trick that he scored took his team fourth. He's now the fourth joint top scorer in the Jupiler League. He's now the fourth joint top scorer in the Jupiler League, and also is definitely the top scorer in his team. We all know that's good. Charleroi is actually a good team, and at this point, Shamar Nicholson is the man. Yeah, we can say any other thing, but let's be honest. At this point, he's the man. He's the one who's turning up. He's running his turn up. Yes, he's fourth joint top goal scorer in the league. Amongst like two other players. No, two other players. Two other players is amongst. But definitely, and also registering one assist. And this came about in 5 games. So that's literally goal contribution 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5 in goal contribution. I think relatively that is good. I'm being honest. I believe that is quite good. 5 out of 5. You couldn't ask for anything else. 5 out of 5. So Shamar Nicholson is actually one of our top performance this weekend. As I said, fourth joint goal scorer in the league. Also registered an assist and 3 goals. On 3 goals, no, 4 goals and 1 assist in 5 games. Which would put him as literally team MVP, most valuable player at this point in time. Now, let's move away from that. But before I go from that, we should not forget that he missed quite a few chances. Yes, he did in previous game. He missed a few chances, and that's just a part of it. That I believe that's a part of it. Now, the next player that we're going to get to is Bobby Reid. Now, Bobby Reid is back and he's in full colors. That's a good sign. That is a very, very good sign, people. He's back and he's in full colors. Now, remember that football is a game of 2 halves. You can perform good now, and then you just fade away like that. That is football, and I'm being honest, people. So, Bob Reid turning up for Fulham again, once again, scored a goal yesterday. Because these game plays today. Now, that goal that he scored yesterday registered Bobby Reid 3 goals and 1 assist in 4 games. 3 goals, 1 assist in 4 games. So that's a goal contribution of also 100%. That is a goal contribution of also 100%, people. And as I said, that put Bobby Reid in the literally the top performance, Reggae Boy performance for this weekend. Now, there are other players who are noticeably very good performance as well, such as Ethan Pino, because he did put in a good performance. But I'm actually looking at the attackers this weekend. So these guys are the one that we're actually targeting. And yeah, I think that's good. As I said, Bob Reid now, the team is now on the top of the table. Fulham is at the top of the table. Most noticeably by everyone. One of the big questions that has been asked in regard to the Reggae Boyz is about Michael Hector. We have seen Michael Hector is just consistently being dropped from the team. But as I said, that's how football is some of the time. That is the reason I said earlier that sometimes you're on the top and then sometimes you just fade away. But in all aspect, let's move away to the big man, the one that we all know, Michail Antonio, and he definitely he definitely is on spectacular form, and I mean spectacular form. Let me see if I can. Why can't I find it? Why can't I find it? Oh my word! Why can't I find it? Why? Okay, let's use this. Why not? Why not use this? Why not use that? So at this point in time, people, Michail Antonio, in 3 appearances, three, I want you to listen keenly, people. In 3 appearances, Michail Antonio registered 4 goals, 3 assists in 3 appearances. That is a goal contribution of 7. That's actually a goal contribution of 150%. No, 125%. He's 100. 100 to be 3 out of 3. But he's now 7. That's 225. 225% people. That is his returns. That is Michail Antonio's returns. Now, fun fact. These are some fact, people. He's now registered as West Ham all-time leading goal scorer. All-time leading goal scorer. That's massive. He's breaking records. Secondly, on the goal scoring sheet, he's first in the Premier League. Also in the assist department, he's actually ranked 3rd in the assist department. So Michail Antonio is creating waves in the Premier League, and you have to give him credit for that, people. So these are the 3 players that I want to cover. These are the 3 players that I wanted to cover, people. Shamar Nicholson, Bob Reid, Michail Antonio. Shamar Nicholson, 4th joint top goal scorer in the league, top goal scorer for his club, and definitely 5 goal contribution in 5 games. That's immaculate, people. That's really, really good. Bob Reid as well, 3 assists, 1 goal in 4 games. 100% goal contribution, 100% goal contribution for Shamar Nicholson as well, despite it's misconstrued because we know that he accumulates most of those in 1 game. He accumulates a lot of those in 1 game. And secondly, Bobby Reid, 3 assists, 1 goal, 4 goal contribution in 4 games. Then now Michail Antonio, 225% goal contribution with 7 goal contribution in 3 games, 4 goals, 3 assists. Top goal scorer in the Premier League and 3rd on the top assists. That's good. What else can you say? The Reggae Boyz are doing their bits. These guys are doing their bits, and tough position for the attacking lineup. Very, very tough position. But at this point in time, people, I won't go any further. Make sure that you guys smash the like button and subscribe. Smash the like button and subscribe, people. This has been really a good one. And guess what? Enjoy the rest of your evening.